simple interest and compound interest. So simple interest and compound interest. Now I'm going to show you the differences. Okay. Now simple interest is what? Simple interest for all year is same. Interest for all years are same. Interest for all years is same, whereas in compound interest the interest for all year is different. Interest for all years is different. Previously, in previous case, I discussed this thing that the first year simple interest is 100, compound interest is also 100. So for the first year, both values same, no problem. For the first year, simple interest and compound interest both give the same interest value. But after 1 year, there is variation, sir. There is variation. So in the first year value is same, no problem. But after 1 year, simple interest and compound interest is different with each other. You know what? Compound interest is always higher than the simple interest, and this is my second difference. So what is my second difference? Second difference is simple interest is smaller than compound interest. Simple interest is smaller than CI, compound interest, whereas compound interest is larger than simple interest. Compound interest is larger than simple interest. Now, third difference, the formula. The formula of simple interest is what? PRT by 100. Whereas, what is the formula of compound interest? In compound interest, your formula is calculated by first accumulated amount, and then further you take the difference with the principal and accumulated amount, you will get compound interest. So in this case, your accumulated amount value is P 1 plus R divided by 100 raised to the power n, where this P is the principal sum, R is the rate per annum, N is the number of year, and A is accumulated amount. So in this case, what the value you will get, you take the compound interest is what? This is accumulated amount. So the A value will give you accumulated amount. After this calculation, you need to subtract your principal value, will give you compound interest. So how you calculate how much compound interest that you earn is the difference of accumulated amount with the principal one. Now, the fourth, interest on principal amount only. Interest on principal amount only. Whereas compound interest is what? It is interest on interest. So interest is on previous interest as well as the principal amount. Interest is on previous interest. Interest is on previous interest as well as principal amount. This is interest on interest. So this is the basic difference between simple interest and compound interest. So first basic difference you can see in a graph. If you see the graph, simple interest graph is like this, whereas compound interest graph is like this. So there is difference in graph also. Simple interest is same for all year, but compound interest is different for different year. But you keep note that you mark one note over here. Note, simple interest is equal to compound interest for first year. Simple note. Simple interest is equal to compound interest for first year. So for first year, the interest value is same. There is no difference between simple interest and compound interest. But after 1 year, there is a difference of simple interest and compound interest. So compound interest is always higher than simple interest. It is mentioned in second difference. Simple interest is smaller than CI, whereas compound interest is larger than simple interest. Formula is different. You will get simple interest directly, but for compound interest, the formula which is using is this one. After you calculate the current amount, you will subtract the principal value from this. You will get compound interest. We will look at this part in the numerical later on. So in the numerical, I will clear to you what is accumulated amount and what is CI, right? So you have to wait for 10 minutes. Now, for the fourth difference, it is interest on principal amount only. That means your principal amount is same for entire year, no change of principal interest. But in compound interest, it is interest on interest. So your previous amount is whatever the previous amount, and what the interest that you earn, you add for the next month calculation. So it always give you better result, higher interest on principals. Now this is the difference of simple interest and compound interest. Now I am going to give you some problems, and based on that problem I clear to you कि क्या होता है compound interest, किस तरीके से compound interest का कैलकुलेशन किया जाता है. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट का कैलकुलेशन हमने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर रखा है पिछले क्लासेस में, तो आप उसको देख सकते हैं वहां से कि सिंपल इंटरेस्ट को किस तरीके से हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. और नाउ I'm going to discuss few problems based on compound interest first, and then mixed problem of simple interest and compound interest. Thank you so much for watching this video.